Hi everyone, it's me again, and today I will share how to create colorful text effect in Canva using one of newest Canva apps. So I will use YouTube thumbnail here, and then I will go to apps. Just type font here, choose font studio, click this icon, and then choose the template. I will choose this one. I will type here colorful. I will change the font to another font like this rubric, and then I will adjust the text. I will adjust the letter spacing. I will reduce it, okay, like this. And then you can change the letter fill, like black maybe, but I will keep it white, okay. And then let's see the spatial effect here. You can change the letter tilt, okay, like this. But I will keep it like this, and then letter separation, like this. Okay, I will make it this one, and you can reset the effect here. And then let's go to layers, and you can change the outline. You can change the color, but I will keep the color like that, and I will reduce the thickness or maybe about 9. Let's see the result. Okay, and then I will also change the projection. I will change the angle to minus 180. Enter. And then our maximum the projection length, and let's see the result here. Okay, I like it. And then I will add to design. So this is the tutorial. I hope you like it, and see you next video. Have fun with Canva.